Okay.
Hello. Karibuni sana. Welcome again. Machegni uru. Yeah, karibuni sana to Lolwe Fitness TV. Today we are doing that thing we like to do. Tunacheza kidogo. My name is Afrofab from Afrofab Fitness Kenya. Karibuni sana. All I'd advise you, get some space. Make sure you're ready to move. Tafuta maji, whether ni kikombe ya chai ama ni jug ama ni nini, just get some water for hydration, because what ile kazi tunataka kufanya hapa, you'll sweat a lot and you'll need to hydrate. So karibuni, let's do this. Space. Oh yeah, invite everyone. Wale wamelala, wake them up. Your neighbors, invite them. Tell them to tune in to Lolwe TV Fitness. Sindio? Let's go. Kidogo, slowly. Yeah, as we warm up our body, move to the side. As you listen to the song. Zoea tu kidogo. Let's go to the front. Hey. Now we're just going to be moving. Side to side. Open up those joints. Open up your hips. Mikono pia to the front. And remember to smile, man. It's a good day to be alive. Yeah, bend those knees. Belly. Back. To the front. Are you smiling? To the side. Doa kidogo. Hey. You see, when you move, your body gets to feel hii kukaa kwa nyumba haisaidii. Yeah, because you're sitting, probably you're working at your desk. Maybe if you have to leave, you're sitting in the car. So at least you get to change scenario a bit. Yeah, you get to move. Remember, you're just warming up. Main event bado. Inua mikono juu. Take them round. Hey. Wind your waist. Take them. Hey. Now pull it in. Lift your. Hey. Let's go to the front. Back. Get a maringo. Feel good about it. Hey. All right. That's it. How you feeling? Salimia mtu. I hope you invited your neighbor, your friend, your children, everyone, anyone who's in the house. Ata auntie. Yeah? So now, I want us to learn this routine. So it's very simple. Like you saw, tunasonga kando. Yeah, so we go 1, 2, 1, 2. I hope you're moving. 1, 2. Hey. There you go. Then you hit. And hit. Now, that's the next move. Tap. Again. As you tap, wind your waist. Back. Hey. Remember to smile, Aki. Alright. We go back to this. Let's go. Tena. Hey. Papa. Haya, we're at the spot. Weka maringo kidogo. Wind your waist. Yeah. It's a very easy routine. Very easy routine. The best part is that you're active, you're moving. And now we jump. Wide. Jump. 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 Why are your neighbors from downstairs? Hey. Aya. Stop. Slowly. Kidogo tu. Hey. All right. How you feeling? How you feeling? Are you smiling? Are you smiling? Tuache ama tuendelee? Now again, our feet come together and wind. Vile unaweza. If you want, put your hands on your waist. Just make sure you're moving. Alright, then you go. Contract. Contract. Hey. You see, dance is universal. Slowly, slowly. March it out. March it out. Hey. Hi. Usidunge mwenzako macho, please. Hey. March it out. Hey. Feel good, feel good. Feel yourself, but now this life, man, it's too short. Ishi sa leo konayo. There's somebody somewhere ametamani sana angeza kuamka, angeza kusonga. You're able. God has given you life. He's given you good health. Move. Hey, let's go down. If you can go lower, sawa. Ukianguka, amka uendelee. Yeah? How do you feel? How do you feel? How do you feel? How do you feel? Get some water. Mimi nakunywa maji. I hope you have water. Want the 10 up? I think now you've gotten a bit of the routine. Let's go. Tap. 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 Sasa ongeza maringo sasa, because you know what you're doing? Now we're going round. Yeah? Tuzunguke tena. Hey. Yeah? Again, yeah? Tap. Easy one. Because now you know what you're doing. Narudia tu. Ongeza. Yeah? Ongeza to flavor. Alright, now we tap. Hey. Do you remember what we're doing now? We jump. And wind. We jump. And wind. We jump. And wind. Tena. Hey. And tap. You dance. This is still good. Smile. High five your pain. Higher. There we go. Yeah? Like a boss. Hey. 20. Yeah? Let's go. Let's go. Let's make sure you don't run into a wall. Hey. Hey. Move your body. Mpaka vidole. If you can go low, go low. Why not? Huh? We match it out. Hey. As we cool down. Ama turudie tena. Yeah. I always say, enjoy music your own way. As long as you're moving, have fun. Enjoy it. Hey. Ita jirani. Tag your neighbor, man. There you go. A third time, maybe? Take a break. Kunywa maji. Always remember to hydrate. Hey, I know you all have a feel-good song. Please let us know what you think in the comment section. You'll reach us on our socials. They'll be running on your screen, so feel free to holler at us anytime. Let us know what you feel. Let us know what you want us to add, what you want us to change, at least what songs you want us to play, by the way. So, because I mean, music is universal, yes? So, ile mziki unasikia inakuongelesha ndani ya roho, that song that makes you want to break into a dance. That's the song. You tell us what it is. We'll see if we can slot it in. We'll see if we can work with your playlist. But up to there, how are you feeling? How are you feeling? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're sweating. I am sweating, Yani. I am sweating, but it's good. It's good because I'm sweating, I'm working out, I'm active, and I'm happy. Yeah? So, tuanze tena. Remember, wait up. Pole pole tu. Slowly, slowly. Remember to give your partner space. Invite your friends. Have a dance party. Now, next time you'll be flossing to your friends when unajua kucheza. We tap, move, and tap. We move and tap. Ongeza kile unataka. Hey, you know what's coming. As long as you're moving, hey, hey. Yo. See, the movement remains the same. It's side to side. Whatever you add is your own. It's that time. It's that time. Wakaibu kuzunguka. Tafuta nafasi. Move the chair. Songesha meza. Hey. Finish. Move it just like that. Silio. I know your legs are burning now. Hey, the movement remains. Oh, maji. Tukate kidogo. This movement never changes. It's only you that spices it up. I know those afternoons now are going to be made of this. You're out with your friends, you're having a garden party, you're sitting there with your family. Social distance, of course. As you can see, we are out in the open. Tena. Hey. Tap. And move. Tap it out again. Now you can add the vigor. Add the vigor because now we know what we're doing. Hey, tap it out, walk it off, get some water, and smile. Hey. What you're feeling on your legs. Aya. Maringo kidogo. As we catch a breath. As we catch a breath. Catch your breath, catch your breath. Wind up before we go back to our other fitness. We're warming down. Let's cool it down. Reduce our movements. Reduce your movements. Reduce your movements. Kidogo too. Oh, wow. I'm sweating. I don't know how you guys are feeling. Let's go. Minimal movement. I know some of you are happy. Tap your foot slightly. Hey. Switch your hands. You've been swinging those hands the whole time. Hey. Aye. Goes. Grab your wrist. Pull it over. Pull as far as you can. You should feel a bit of a stretch. So if you feel pain, stop. Don't pull. Just go back to your starting point. Relax. Put your antenna. Opposite side. Again, if you feel pain, go back to your starting point and relax. Yes? Go back to the front. Grab your wrist and push it. Push your palm towards the front. As you do this, breathe. Stretch your hands. Bring your feet together. Those guys. Grab your ankles. Pull your head in. Stretch your back, your hamstrings. You've been working your legs a lot. Hands on your knees. Lift your hand. Maybe your head, sorry. Lift your head. At the front. Feel your back. Getting some stretch. Again, to your waist. Stand up straight, stand up tall. Lift your shoulders. Feel it in your abs. Open wide. Open your head. Feel your stretch on your sides. Straight out the side as well. Sawa, sawa. Bring your feet together. Try turn back. Don't hold your breath. Don't hold your breath. Realize when you turn back to your starting point, you turn a bit further kwa sababu mwili imeshafunguka, so now it's getting a lot limber. Again, the other side. And that's that. Have a great day. Karibuni tena sana. Join us next time again at Lolwe TV Fitness. I will be here with you. My name is Afrofab from Afrofab Fitness. We will be running our handles right across your screen so that you can text us, you can let us know your comments, any advice, anything that you'd like us to add, anything that you'd like us to change. Share your thoughts. Let us know what you feel, what you expect, things. Maybe, like we said, you might have music you want us to play, so karibuni sana. Suggestions are welcome. But all in all, we thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for making time to watch us and to exercise with us. Dance is exercise. Always remember to stay active and stay grateful. This life is precious. Thank you. See you again next time. Okay.